Hi. The folding table is one of the furniture that is often used in modern homes, especially in a narrow room. This one furniture is truly functional and can save the room. His desk was built using a lever that could be pulled and pushed to open the table cover, but sometimes, the folding table is also used as a major furniture. The use is quite one, which is to save the item, so it will not be closed or opened. If it's like this, the surface can be arranged so that it looks like the interior design. Well, if you are looking for an inspiration for the design of the wall folding table, you can see the following video. But before, don't forget to like and share this video. For those of you who have not subscribed yet, please click subscribe and activate the bell button now. Thank you.